Hello everyone, in my video I wish to show you how the room looks like in the hotel Kilikya Palace. Here's this card. We have plastic card to open the room. Just touch here, open, and you're inside. We have large room for 2 adults and 2 kids. Let's go have a look. Bathroom. Wow, it's nice, modern. It's huge mirror, hair dryer. What we have here? Everything what you need. Toilet. A lot of fresh towels. Shower, everything what you need. Nice. Next to the main entrance we have large wardrobe with a lot of handles, so you can store your clothes nicely. It's a lot of space here. Also we have kettle with some tea bags. We never use it. I think some sugar here as well. And under we have some small fridge. Did I open it? Inside the fridge we have what we have: cold water, some fizzy drinks here, and some juice for kids. Isn't it good, isn't it? You wake up in the morning and you have cold water. Extra storage here. We don't have much clothes. And here as well. So if you need to put some bags or some, I don't know, towels, we have space here. And look, 2 large single beds for the kids, and also large sofa. If you need, you can use it like a bed as well, of course. Phone, you can call to reception or to your friends to another room. Just dial number of the room and you're gonna connect to them. What I want to say, everybody who's gonna come from UK, you have to take adapter like this for the socket to charge your phone or something different. Other way, what you can do, because look, socket looks like this. You must have adapter. Adapter is very small. It's better to take a couple of them to charge your phones. Look, and you use it like this. If you don't know, it's very important. Put it inside and then you can charge your phone. Just connect it. So that's it. In general, what I can say, this kids' room is big, nice, a lot of space. Also there is balcony. Right, balcony. I like this balcony. Just open the balcony. Let's go outside on the balcony. Watch this. Watch this and enjoy. You can see swimming pools from here. You can see children's playground. And main, what you can see is, of course, it's seaside. Look, there is somebody swimming inside the sea. Oh. It's a lot of space. You can dry your towels here, also swimming suits, and You can smoke here in the evening, or you can just sit down and enjoy and have a good chat with your kids or with your family on this balcony. It's too hot. I shut the door. Pretty room. As I said, it's quite large. We have TV here, table, and another one. We have master bedroom here with large double bed. What this? Mattress is very comfortable, but pillow little bit big for myself. Little bit big, but it's okay. Also, we have TV, which we never use. We have large mirror. Also, we have big wardrobe. You can use it to storage your belongings, everything what you bring it with you. Another kettle and another fridge. What we have in the fridge? Same. Some water, juice. What is here? I think it's beer. Yeah, and more different fizzy drinks. Everything what you like or your kids like. More storage here. Also, we have some storage for your luggage, and here as well under TV. One more time, I'm gonna repeat you one very important thing. If you from UK and your socket looks like this, don't forget to buy this adapter and use it. Yeah, to charge your iPad or anything. Don't forget. Room is so pretty, a lot of space, a lot of storage. I'm very happy with these rooms, and the most important what I like is this balcony. We have another room, we have another balcony from our room, I mean from master bedroom here. Same beautiful view. What else you need for good holiday? Okay, just don't forget to rate my video. Just put your thumb up if you like it, and enjoy your holidays.